Ready to scratch your car?
Nope.
Come on, you can do it. Trust me. Hey guys, it's Bill with Lumar. Today we're going to put our paint protection film to the test.
Yo, man, that looks way too bad.
Should I?
Oh yeah, check it out. Scratch is gone.
That's amazing.
That's insane.
With Lumar paint protection film, you're protected from things like rocks, dirt, road salt, gravel, sand, and even yourself.
You're a magician.
It's science. With Lumar, you're covered.